Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Scorpio from 20th to 26th of July 2020. This reading includes your recent past, your present, and your immediate future. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Scorpion. So this is your current energy right now. That is the Six of Pentacles. Well, very, very nice, Scorpions, because you have been very generous. You have been very, very helpful for people, and whatever good you have done for other is going to come back to you now. This is your karma. This is your karma that is going to come back to you. Your good karma, whatever good you have done for people, in whatever way you have helped people, the people are going to help you back. The energies are going to help you back. The universe is going to help you back. That is amazing, Scorpions. All right, seeing your past cards, it is the Nine of Wands, Reverse, Judgment, and the Hanged Man. I think there was a little bit of instability in your past. There was you were feeling there was not so much of clarity, but still whatever was happening, let me tell you, even if you don't know right now, whatever was happening was in your favor. Maybe things were not happening very clear cut and very fast, but the way they were happening was somewhat at the right time. Maybe it took you time to realize that, but yes, that is the truth. So you really don't have to worry about your past, because your intuitions, you listen to your heart and you got good results out of it. But before moving to your present cards, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. All right, your present cards are Nine of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and Two of Cups. Wow, that is amazing. I really don't have to say anything to you, Scorpions. You are doing so well in all the areas of your life. You are emotionally so much content. You have everything. You have a soulmate with you who is taking care of you. There is so much love around. You people understand each other so much. There is mutual respect, and they love you for who you are. I think there could be a little bit of difficulty in um managing something new that you are doing with something old, or something like two extremes, but maybe you're juggling with two. It looks like more in the career front, in the professional front to me, but you are doing it pretty well, so don't worry about it. But otherwise your present seems wonderful. Yeah, moving towards the future, it is Justice, Eight of Cups, and King of Pentacles reversed. Well, look, you've got Judgment and Justice both in one reading. I think whatever you have been wanting for, even if there's some kind of a legal case going on for some of you, I think you are going to win it. It is an amazing reading. Judgment and Justice both in one reading. The justice is yours. Whatever you deserve, you will get it back. So you really don't have to worry about your future also. I think I don't know, I'm getting this feeling that maybe you are not you were not too happy with some part of your life. It could be professional, it could be something, something you believe that was missing. So I think for that you are going to take action in future. You might turn your back to something which you were literally dragging in your life. So you might just turn your back to that thing, and you might choose another different path for yourself. And definitely good things will happen. If you are wanting for something good to happen in your finances, that might take little longer. I won't say it is going to go bad, it is not going to get too good also. That might take little longer, but otherwise the whole reading seems to be really good. You're going to have an amazing week, Scorpions. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box for the personalized reading. See the description box. All the best, Scorpions.